Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I am from Thailand.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
Can you speak any other languages?
I can speak a little Spanish.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where have you traveled to?
I have traveled to Japan and France.
Do you have a large family?
No, my family is small.
What are your parents' names?
My father's name is Robert, and my mother's name is Mary.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
How old are your children?
They are 6 and 8 years old.
Do you spend a lot of time with your family?
Yes, we spend weekends together.
What do you do on weekends?
We often go to the park or watch movies.
Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we have a big family dinner every Sunday.
Who does the cooking in your family?
My mother usually cooks, but we all help.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog and a cat.
What are their names?
The dog's name is Max, and the cat's name is Luna.
Do you take them on walks?
Yes, we take the dog for a walk every evening.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball and tennis.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I love making spaghetti.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is Harry Potter.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I enjoy watching TV shows.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram.
How often do you check your social media?
I check it several times a day.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy clothes and books.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I enjoy watching TV shows.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram.
How often do you check your social media?
I check it several times a day.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy clothes and books.
Do you prefer online shopping or in-store shopping?
I prefer online shopping.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much.
What is your favorite cuisine?
I love Italian cuisine.
Do you like to eat out?
Yes, I enjoy eating out.
Thank you for watching my video.